Hi guys, Surfer Dude here. I got an Eagle, Clank Castle, Town Hall, Inferno. So, I'm going to blow this open I want to make sure I clear that little spot right there and make sure I get it open. Okay. We're gonna ice golem, siege barracks. Bowler. We're going to send those Volks straight in. This is my direction. Ready to go, guys? This is my obscured account. Let's go get them. Okay, right here, let's pay attention. The Clank Castle troops are going to come out right there. And I'm going to try to kill them on the move. Okay? Golems. We're almost in the spot to breach the Clank Castle. Here we go. Killed part of it there. Finished off that dragon. Boom. I just love them Volks. Supercell's made a whole bunch of other troops and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and show you my lineup here so you can get a quick look. Okay, that's a done deal. Number 4 taking 6 into war. Nice and easy.